Now let's talk about the various types of hemophilia. Hemophilia is basically a defect in the intrinsic pathway. So the most common ones are the factor A deficiency, which is hemophilia A, and the factor IX deficiency, which is hemophilia B. Now both of these are X-linked recessive diseases. So they are located on the X chromosome. Since they are X-linked recessive, so they can be passed from the mother to the male born child. The two genes which have been traced to the loci on the X chromosome are basically named after the factors. So for hemophilia A, the gene which has been identified has been named the F8 gene or the factor 8 gene. It is located on the X chromosome, and for the hemophilia B or the Christmas disease, the gene has been named as the F9 gene or the factor 9 gene. So hemophilia A occurs because of the factor 8 gene defects on the X chromosome, and the hemophilia B generally occurs because of the factor 9 gene defects on the chromosomal loci. Now this is very important to understand because one of the diagnostic tests is the genetic testing, which we do for the hemophilia. It is very useful for us even in an unborn child. We can counsel the parents before the birth of the child if we do an amniocentesis and we do the genetic testing on the amniotic fluid, and we find out that the fetus is hemophilic. So we can basically prepare the parents in advance about the disease, about what are the complications the patients might face, and this gives us a good understanding of the disease process as well. And the genetic testing can also be helpful in having a confirmative diagnosis for the disease. If there are certain cases in which there is an overlap of symptoms or there is an unusual presentation, because hemophilia can present in a lot of ways. And if we are not sure about the disease, then for the definitive testing, we can do a genetic test, and that will clearly show us the location of the gene, whether it is normal or whether it is defective on the X chromosome. So this was about the basic subtypes of the hemophilia A and B, and where the genes are located on the X chromosome.